Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best glass door lock is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for enhancing the security and privacy of your home or office, especially when it comes to glass sliding doors that can sometimes present unique challenges for traditional locking mechanisms. This video will delve into what makes a particular lock stand out, ensuring you can make an informed decision for your specific needs, whether it's for a patio door, a shower enclosure, or even a display cabinet, providing peace of mind and reliable functionality. Number 5. Primeline C1204 Sliding Glass Door Handle Set. Don't replace your entire door when the handle is old or broken. Get a new handle set for a quick and easy upgrade. This is a Mortise hook-style handle designed to replace your existing one. It's the perfect solution for a damaged or outdated look. It fits doors with 3 to 15 16-inch hole spacing and is designed for Mortise hook-style handles. Installation is straightforward. The non-handed design means it works on both left and right-handed patio sliding doors. You can install it yourself with ease. Constructed from white die-cast with a light-stained wooden handle, it's designed to perfectly match your white sliding patio door. Replacing your old or broken door handles is now simple. This set offers a fast and effective solution without needing a new door. What we like. This option offers a classic look with its white die-cast and wooden handle combination. If you're looking to complement a traditional or rustic aesthetic for your sliding door, this is a great choice. It's designed for easy replacement of old or damaged handles. What people say. Fits perfectly and was easy to install. The quality is solid and the white finish looks clean and new. My sliding door works smoothly again. This product works perfectly. It was the exact size I needed, the installation was way easier than I was expecting. It is also very durable. It comes with different length screws to use since this is a universal handle, so I would assume it would work with a broad range of sliding doors. I really like the design with the wood handle and of course the white works out nicely since that is the color of my door. Number 4. Patio Door Handle Set Plus Mortise Lock. Don't replace your entire door when the handle is broken or old. Our replacement handle and lock set is the most economical and useful solution. This set includes everything you need: interior handle, exterior pull, Mortise lock, thumb latch, and screws. It's designed for easy installation on most sliding patio doors. Installation is a simple DIY project. Just remove the old screws, insert the new latch, align the handles, and tighten the included screws. It's that easy. Our handle set is designed to be reversible, meaning it works for both left-handed and right-handed sliding patio doors. You have the choice for your specific door. The exterior pull on this handle set is non-keyed. Please note that it is not convertible to a key function at this time. This set is designed to fit doors with 3 to 15 16-inch screw hole spacing. The 45 degrees Mortise latch lock is suitable for wood, aluminum, and vinyl sliding patio doors. What we like. This set provides a complete solution, including the interior handle, exterior pull, and Mortise lock, making it incredibly convenient. If you need a comprehensive and cost-effective replacement that's easy to install with various screw sizes, this is the one for you. What people say. The 45 degrees latch lock fits seamlessly, and the 3 to 15 16-inch screw hole spacing aligns perfectly with my existing door setup. The white die-cast finish looks sleek and matches well with the door, enhancing its overall appearance. The reversible design makes it easy to install regardless of the door's orientation. The non-keyed latch lock provides secure and smooth operation, making the door feel brand new. The handle set is sturdy and feels solid in hand, offering both functionality and durability. This hardware fits well with the Ply Gem, or American Craftsman, patio sliding doors that come with blinds in between the glass. The white color of the product is the same as my patio door frame and the handle is very sturdy, very nice built for the value. Number 3. HauSun White 1006 Series Patio Door Handle Set. Introducing the HauSun 1006 Series Patio Door Handle. Its unique contour shape offers an elegant look and comfortable grip, blending style with affordability. This handle set is designed for easy replacement of your existing sliding patio door lock. It's compatible with standard Mortise locks, providing a secure and convenient upgrade. With its adaptable design, it fits style thicknesses from 1.25 to 2.25 inches. The narrow escutcheon and extended bosses ensure stability and a clean look on any door. Crafted with decorative finishes over an aluminum base, these handles are built to last. The electrostatic paint provides excellent resistance to chipping, scratching, and corrosion. Choose the perfect look for your home. This handle set is available in classic white, black, and beige to complement your existing decor. We stand by our products. If you have any questions, our customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours via Amazon. What we like. For those who prioritize both style and security, this handle set stands out with its unique, elegant contour shape and a built-in cylinder lock. If you desire a modern look that also enhances the security of your patio door, this is an excellent option. What people say. Installation was very easy, took a couple tries, but we realized that one of the mechanism bars was too long by 1 notch. It took my father, brother, and I to produce gorilla strength to be able to snap the notch off with some heavy-duty pliers. Pretty durable, and the product works well for the price. Great patio door lock and latch. Works great. It is very nice and easy to install. Number 2. HauSun White 1006 Series Patio Door Handle Set. Introducing the HauSun 1006 series. Its unique contour shape offers an elegant look and is comfortable to hold. This handle set is designed for both style and ease of use. This handle set is compatible with industry-standard Mortise locks. It's a perfect replacement for your existing glass sliding door handles, ensuring a seamless fit. Designed to adapt to various style thicknesses, ranging from 1.25 to 2.25 inches. The narrow escutcheon and extended bosses provide enhanced stability and a clean appearance. Crafted with durable, electrostatically applied paint finishes over an aluminum base. These coatings resist chipping, scratching, and corrosion, maintaining color stability even in direct sunlight. Choose the perfect look for your patio door. This handle set is available in white, black, and beige to complement your home's aesthetic. We stand by our products. If you have any questions, contact us through Amazon, and HauSun will provide prompt and helpful customer service within 24 hours. What we like. This handle set offers a stylish upgrade with its new contour shape and robust construction, suitable for a range of door thicknesses. If you're looking for a durable and aesthetically pleasing replacement that offers good value and a modern appearance, consider this model. What people say. This handle is very sturdy and feels solid in hand. The lock mechanism is smooth and easy to operate. It was a perfect fit for my sliding door and installation was straightforward. Number 1. HauSun Oakwood Sliding Glass Door Handle Set. Don't replace your entire door when the handle is old or broken. Our replacement handle set offers an economical and practical solution to refresh your sliding patio doors. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: an interior handle, exterior pull, Mortise lock, thumb latch, and screws. It's designed for versatility and fits most sliding patio doors. Installing this handle set is a straightforward DIY project. With pre-drilled holes and included screws of various sizes, you can easily replace your old handles in minutes. Our thoughtfully designed handle is reversible, meaning it works perfectly whether your door opens to the left or the right. You get a perfect fit every time, no matter the configuration. The exterior pull features a secure, non-key design for added convenience. Please note that this particular model is not convertible to a key locking function. Enjoy a clean, white die-cast finish that complements your interior decor. This durable material ensures long-lasting performance and style for your sliding glass doors. What we like. This option beautifully blends a natural oakwood interior handle with a sleek white die-cast exterior, offering a touch of warmth and modern design. If you appreciate the combination of natural materials and contemporary finishes for your sliding door, this set is ideal. What people say. This patio door hardware was very simple to install. Along with being very attractive, it works great. Installation was easy, it fit perfectly, and the locking mechanism had no issues and was secure. Easy installation, nice finish, seems well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.